Hey guys, Barney here from Legend X. Today I want to talk about four-wheel drive safety on the beach. Now safety is paramount wherever we go four-wheel driving, but on the beach, it's a glorious day, we're offering a bit to relax, so I want to bring the focus back to the safety aspect. Number one, get a permit. Make sure you're allowed to go there. Make sure if you're going to a remote beach, you tell someone where you're going so we can expect you back at a particular point in time. The next thing I want to talk about is the tides. If the tide comes in on some beaches, you have no space to drive, which means you have very little time for error. So if you go an hour before the tide, it's big. And then it's in and you're bogged, you're going to lose your car. You can, worst case scenario, have a really, really bad day with the insurance company. Best case scenario, I like to come a little bit after the tide, so it gives me all day. In particular, tide's going out and here we are filming, plenty of time. So tidal is important. Make sure your four-wheel drive is capable. One, it's got 4 tyres. 2, it has four-wheel drive. Now there's a little bit more to it than that. I've seen a few guys with very, very incapable all-wheel drives and they're being caught at the inlet. You can still get down here with a bit of help, but make sure it's capable. To be a bit more capable, you can get a bit more equipment and set up your car, but shovel, number one for equipment. That can dig you out of a hole, that can change the situation. Snatcher straps, tighter, flatter, get those tire pressures down. You can go a bit extreme if you have fires. First aid kit, guys, never go without one. Now, I want to talk about recoveries. Safety, this is not a recovery. This is for caravans. If you snatch with this, it could kill you. Most likely, it's going to be bad. Rear recovery. Guys, this is a tow hitch, perfect for moving vehicles around. This is not a recovery point. You can use it because you normally got 2 at the front. If you're desperate, you can create a triangle and get yourself out of trouble. Get a rated recovery point so anyone can get you out. Even if you're on the beach alone, someone can come past. On that recovery point, you're gonna get yourself out of trouble. Remember, they're for moving vehicles on tow trucks. They're for moving vehicles when they're bogged. Now the other thing I want to talk about is this is a road. A lot of beaches in Australia are roads. Road rules apply. Keep left, it's not America. Keep left. Speed limits. Now down this beach is 60 a lot of the time because there's people. Then it gets to 80. But remember, the tide, the beach, the changing conditions. This is not your standard type of road. Today this beach has got a lot of washouts that weren't here when I was here last. Further up there could be a creek crossing. The tide's coming. Remember, this road is unique and this is what makes Australia awesome, is we've got a beach road, so we can enjoy that. Now guys, on the way out, when you're leaving, remember, reinflate these tyres because you're going to kill yourself on the highway if you don't. Another simple thing, hydrate. Lots of water. It's a hot day. It's a glorious day on the beach, so make sure you hydrate when you go to the beach. Catch you later, guys.